foot. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video than my normal makeup type stuff. I have talked about nails once before, and we're going to talk about nails again today. Just a couple of new favorites that I have, and I think I'm kind of developing an obsession here, so I figured I would go ahead and share my new loves with you all. But before we get into the video, if you do enjoy this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, I really hope you will consider subscribing before you go. And of course, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you are notified with every video that I upload. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. My name is Allison. I am a beauty lover, a mom to two lovely boys, and a wife to my hubby Eric. If you check out some of the videos I've got up here on my channel, you can get to know the fam. Big thank you to Jaime French for giving me a shout out in one of her most recent videos. I know that I've had quite a few people come over from her, so welcome and thanks, Jaime. With all that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have been developing this nail obsession, and the first nails or nail thing item, I guess you would say, that I fell in love with is a brand called imPRESS nails, and they are press-on nails. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my favorite set. This is called Gold Digger, and I talked about this along with some other styles that I enjoyed in a previous video where I went and I showed you how I put these things on, take them off, just a whole demonstration for you all. When I first saw people posting on Instagram, the image I got in my head was Lee press-on nails. These are nothing like that. There's like a little tab right here, and you just peel it off and then press it onto your nail, and it stays like, holy cow, it stays so well, and your nails don't get damaged. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and link that demo that I previously did so you can see this a little bit more up close and personal. I actually have some imPRESS nails on right now with polish over them, so I've been able to polish over these as well, no problem. And I'm going to talk about this nail polish as well and get a little bit closer for you in just a second. Since stumbling upon these press-on nails, the imPRESS nails, I've kind of like developed this sickness where I'm constantly trying to find new styles. I mean, I never have received more compliments on my nails than when I wear these bad boys. I spend usually about $5.99 on a set when I purchase them from Walmart. You can find imPRESS nails at Target, Walgreens, CVS, like I said, Walmart, their own website, which tends to have like the most styles. You can also find some on eBay, some like older styles if you can't find them anymore in the stores, but the price range is going to vary. I try to get mine for $5.99. They last me anywhere from like 1 week to, depending on how you apply it and how long you hold down. If you haven't watched that video, maybe pause this one, go watch that, and then come back to this one. But you're gonna want to apply it like close, almost up under the cuticle. Like, it shouldn't hurt. You don't want to shove it up there, but you're going to want to push it down and hold it, and then just do that all along the sides, like the base of the cuticle here. That's what's going to make your nails last the longest. But I've had my sets last me anywhere from about a week to upwards of like 12 days, almost 2 weeks. I've had some sets last 2 weeks, but I think since I've developed this sickness, I just kind of get tired of the styles before they're ready to come off, and I just take them off. They're so easy to get off. The reason I started using these was because I was doing like a powder and you dip your nails in them at the salon, and I probably had those nails on for almost a year, and when I finally took them off to give my nails a break, my nails were destroyed. They were in terrible condition. So I was like, I'm gonna give them a rest. I'm gonna try these little press-on nails, and that was back in April. So I have not turned back from these. I love them, and yeah. So moving on to the next thing. Through my love and a new obsession, I stumbled across a brand online called Dashing Diva. They just recently came out with a bunch of new fall styles, and they are now available on Ulta.com. You can't get them in stores, at least yet, but you can get them on Ulta.com, in Sally Beauty, as well as sallybeauty.com, like online, and their own website, dashingdiva.com. The best price is Sally's, I believe. If you join their like insider program, it's like $7.99. Otherwise, it's about $8 and I think 40 something cents. At Ulta, they're $8.99, but you know, trade-offs. I really enjoy getting my points at Ulta, so. And then on dashingdiva.com, they tend to be the most expensive, like $10 to $12 depending on the style. I've got 5 styles total to go through with you, and then just a couple of nail polishes. This is in the style Celestial Being. What's cool about their nails is they have like a really neat assortment a lot of the times. The majority of the nails are going to be the top one for the most part, and then these 6 nails right here, you get I think 6 of each of these nails, so you're gonna just match them to fit your nail, but you can do any cool little combination. And these are just a little bit more blue than the Gold Digger set that I just showed you from imPRESS Nails. These are a little bit more expensive than imPRESS Nails, but I do think the quality is a little bit better too. So it just depends on what styles you like and how they work for you, but they're very similar. I love the length of them. I like the shapes of them, just so good. So Celestial Being, this is called Trailblazer, and I just think it is so perfect for this time of year. You have this really deep brownish red shade here, not matte. It's a high shine finish. Here, it's like a, I don't know, like a red to gold to blue and even green in there shift. And that of course is chrome. And then down here, like a golden coppery glitter. I don't always go for the super glittery nails. So what I might do is like switch off between just the high shine and the chrome. I don't know. We'll see what I end up doing with these, but that's the beauty of it. They're press-on nails. You can change them up however you see fit. And all of the Dashing Diva sets that I'm showing you right now, I spent $8.99 online at Ulta.com. More than anything, I just like this high shine mauve color. I think it's really pretty. Down here is this gorgeous chrome color. I don't think I realized there's this interesting like gold accent at the bottom. I'm hoping you guys can see that on camera. I don't know how I'm gonna like that actually on my nail, but I know I'm gonna love this color. I think this is so pretty. And then down at the bottom, another glitter. Now here on the bottom, there is a matte gray nail, and that's what you're gonna have the majority of in this style. Then you have a silver chrome. It's not really that bright light silver, if that makes sense. It is a little bit darker, but not quite gunmetal. Really pretty. And then this is that shattered glass effect, and it has a really pretty rainbow holographic shift. This is in the style Brave New World. These might be like my favorite set for the time being. Maybe these are Trailblazer. The majority of the set is this matte navy blue. However, in certain lights, it's just a little bit brighter. It's so pretty. And then this chrome, which is like a silver chrome up front, but then like it kind of shifts to these different blues and almost like purples and greens along the sides. This is a really pretty set. I love this. So those are all of my press-on nail like new loves for the moment. Now I'm gonna show you some nail polishes. This is what I have on my nails right now. Actually, this is in the shade Maiden Lane from ILNP. Now I'm gonna just move my cell phone light over it. When the sunlight hits it, you guys, holy cow, like the rainbow prism in this is nuts. What I have found is using this over top of a black nail polish, like one coat of black and then 2 coats of this over top. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And guys, I'm a mom. I do baths, I do dishes, I do laundry, I change sheets, all of it. And I have now had this on for 5 days. The reason why I stopped doing regular nail polish is because it chipped and didn't last, but I'm telling you guys, 5 days. And the shipping on the ILNP was super fast, just so you guys know. Now this is also by ILNP. I'm gonna get some light on it here, hopefully. Cityscape is a true black, and it is stunning. It almost, when you're in regular light, just looks like a black with a little silver fleck in it. It's still gorgeous, but bam! When you walk in that sunlight, this is so beautiful. I mean, they both are, but you can see Maiden Lane on my nails is much more of like a gunmetal, like gray, and this is a true black with rainbow hollow galore. And this one I just used by itself, 2 coats, and whoosh, good to go. This is in the shade Siren. And the reason I picked this one up is because it is very similar to the Gold Digger shade by imPRESS Nails. I'm not really into the press-ons for the toes. I like just, you know, nail polish. Again, this is in the shade Siren. And I apologize if I am butchering the pronunciation of that. And lastly, we have Polish Me Silly nail polish, and this is in the shade Paradise. This is available, I believe, only on Etsy for $12.50. Let me just put some light on it so you can see. This one is really, really similar to ILNP's Siren, but this one leans a little bit more blue than green. So here they are side by side. Hopefully you can see what I mean by the more blue and more green. I cannot believe how the quality can differ from one nail polish to the next, because these guys stay on my nails really well. Alright guys, that does it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I'm just really into this whole nail thing. Oh, let me see if I can show you my toenails really fast. But you guys, I have pasty white feet and like finger toes. They're long and like not super cute, but whatever, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and see if I can get a good shot for you. This is the Polish Me Silly over the top of the ILNP and Siren, over top of 1 coat of black. And I think it looks lovely. Please don't pay attention to my white feet. Okay. Okay, so for real, if you guys did like this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, I really hope that you will consider subscribing before you go. I am getting really close to 1,000 subs. I can't believe it. So hope we can just push it to that next level of my YouTube endeavors. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye! How am I gonna do this? Oh my god. Nope.